is I'm looking at creating a table in a database, and I just click on the database access, and then you click on a blank database. You come here, you type the name of the database. I can call it worker table, or I can give it any name. Let's say files, and then I locate the database to my desktop. I just click here, it will be located there, and then after that I click on create. So once I click on create, I'll have this interface, and here I will click on create to design my table. I click on table design, and then I begin designing my table using the data types. So my first data type is a code, and code, this data type has mixed characters, so it will be text. I come to the second one, which is first name, and this one is also a text, just like a short text. Second name is also a short text. Then we have sex. With sex we can use the lookup wizard, and here I click on lookup. I come here, I say I will type in the values that I want. I click next. I click here, I put in female, and then here I click male, so that I just look them up. Then I finish, and then I come here, I look for date of birth, DOB. Date of birth is in date stroke time, so I click on date stroke time. I continue. I go to profession is going to be looked up because it has very many fields, so I'm going to type in these fields, these records. We have a lawyer, so that it appears once. We have a plumber, we have a manager, then we have doctor. After this we have doctor. This is the next slide. Manager, plumber. Here we can have doctor, and then after doctor we have I think we have chef, and that is all. So we click next and finish. Then the next one is allowance. Allowance will be number, because we are going to multiply this allowance with duration. Then the next one is duration. Duration is also a number because to be multiplied. And then we have total allowance. It is also a number. We have what we call income tax. These people they have to pay tax, income tax. It is also a number. And then finally we have what we call the photo, and photo is OLE object. Photo is OLE object. So after this you make sure this one is a primary key, and then you can use Ctrl S to save. You save this as a worker table, then you click OK, and it will appear here. You double click, and then you can begin populating. So what we did there will appear here as female or male, and then here when you look up you get these ones. You are blessed.